What have you done last weekend? Me? I love gardening. Preparing the soil, planting the seeds, and watching them grow day by day. To satisfy my passion, I choose to do a thesis. A thesis in neuroscience. Gardening and the brain, what's the connection, you might ask? Draw a line from one ear to the other. Along this line, behind your eyes, lies the hippocampus, the part of your brain responsible for memory formation. It's the garden of your brain. In this garden, there are no tulips or carrots, no. We grow neurons there. Listen. The brains form during embryonic development. The goal is to populate it entirely with neurons because time's running out. At birth, bam, it stops, no more neuron. And good luck with the ones that you got. But your hippocampus, it creates new neurons throughout your entire life. And that has a name, adult neurogenesis. You know, growing neurons in the brain isn't so different from growing tulips. So for you tonight, a little lesson of brain gardening. Take a hippocampus, the garden's brain. In this fertile plot, I planted hundreds of neural stem cells, but let's call them neuron seeds. The seeds are nurtured by highly competent little gardeners, cells called astrocytes. An important task falls to the gardeners, to prepare and to give to the seeds a fertilizer composed of different molecules. Without this fertilizer, no neuron. And without these neurons, no memory. So this fertilizer contains essential molecules, and my thesis work consists of finding and studying them. For that, I got the list of all the molecules that compose my fertilizer, and I selected several that seems interesting. I gave this molecule one by one to my seeds. Molecule 1, no effect. Molecule 2, no effect. Molecule 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, no effect. But molecule 9, twice as many neurons grew. So my thesis focused on molecule 9. I studied it inside out and I tried to dissect how and why, when my seeds specifically consume molecule 9, they become neurons. Every day, your hippocampus is capable of creating hundreds of new neurons. But adult neurogenesis is a fragile process. It can be strongly impacted by Alzheimer's disease, by depression, or even just by stress. My work consists of better understanding how astrocytes regulate the creation of everyday memory, with the aim of finding treatments for its loss. This little molecule 9 that I study might help you, perhaps, one day, to remember to water your plants. Thank you.